This is Nick.
Hello.
This is Lucas.
Hi.
It's 2011 and these two best friends have just learned that over 116,000 people are experiencing homelessness in Australia.
That's outrageous.
And they had the idea of starting a free mobile laundry service for the homeless. But first, they finished school, lived life a little, travelled a little. 2 years later, Nick and Lucas decided to have a go at making their mobile laundry service happen.
Washers,
Yep,
dryers,
definitely.
a van,
Go halvesies.
deal.
They decided to hit up a big laundry company to get some washers and dryers.
They're going to love this idea.
No one is going to wash their clothes in a park. Washing machines don't work in a van. It's a crazy dream. It won't work.
So that's a yes?
Carolyn agreed and gave Nick and Lucas a set of machines. From there, it was time to build.
Behold, Sudsy.
Let's go.
This is Jordan, and he wants to know what this is all about.
What's this all about?
Jordan, this is Sudsy.
They explain that it's a van that can wash and dry clothes on the spot.
Want to give it a go?
Sure.
We'll be back tomorrow.
Hey, Carolyn, remember when you said washers don't work in a van? You're right, they don't.
Can we have another set, please?
Let's go.
Hey, Nick. Hey, Lucas.
Hey, sorry we let you down yesterday, Jordan. Should we try again?
We need to make this work. Jordan, we'll be back.
Nick and Lucas had a proposition for Carolyn.
Hey, Carolyn, would you like to be on the board of Orange Sky?
Impressed by their entrepreneurial spirit, she agrees.
Seeing as you're on the board now, how about another set of machines? Let's go. Nick, Jordan came back.
Hey, Nick. Hey, Lucas.
Not knowing what to do next, Nick and Lucas started chatting with Jordan while they waited. Lucas found that Jordan had studied engineering at the same university. The only difference was that Jordan had hit some tough times. Since then, we've helped people just like Jordan all over Australia by washing and drying their clothes, but more importantly, by having genuine and non-judgmental conversations. And it all started here, with two friends in a van called Sudsy and a simple conversation.